So today's lesson, we just did a lot of practice like number 3 and 4. If you still need some practice, I want you to do that. 3 and 4 before you do the assignment today. But I want to focus on 5 and 6 because notice it only wants the lateral surface area. So you have to make sure that you're really reading. Now, if you remember the equation, 2 pi r squared, that's for our bases. So we're actually going to ignore this today for at least the next 2 problems. The one we're going to focus on is the one that was 2 pi RH. These were our lateral faces, and that's all they want. So if they wanted to know how much paper to put across a cylinder, that would be what we would use this for. So if I look at number 5 and I set it up, I'm only going to focus on this equation. So I plug it in, I see that the radius is 3 and the height is 3. So my problem is going to be 2 times 3.14 times 3 times 3. So if I plug this in and find my answer, 2 times 3.14 times 3 equals 56.52. Now, it does say round to the nearest tenth, so I'm going to drop that 2. I want you to think for a second. Do I still need to put centimeters squared, or should I put just centimeters? I'll give you a little second to think. Hopefully you said centimeters cubed, and you know the reason because lateral surface area, it still has the word area in there because you still need to know the area of the paper. Plus it has 2 dimensions, right? It has the height and the width is this part. The width is this part, 2 pi r. Remember that was the way the circle traced. The second dimension is the h. All right, let's try number 6. Same thing, it's only the lateral surface area. So for number 6, I'm going to do 2 times 3.14 times 1 times 9. Because I have a height of 1 yard and a radius of 9. So if I multiply 2 times 3.14 times 1 times 9, I get 56.52, which is 5. Well, look at there. Those cylinders have the exact same lateral surface area, except they have 2 completely different shapes. Do you see now how 5 has a 3 and a 3, which is 9, and then 6 has a 9 and a 1, which is also 9. So for lateral surface area, it works out. Now, your actual problems today are not online because on Monday we're going to do an online test. Today, though, you are going to do the practice quiz in your book. And if you go to Canvas, on the next slide, it'll tell you what page to do. And you just want to answer those in your notebook. It's a review, 9-1, 9-2, and 9-3. This is going to give you a good chance to review your skills. If you are stuck on any of those problems, I want you to send me a message in Canvas, and I can help you walk through it. We might even get on and chat on the big blue canvas so I can help you walk through it. Have a great rest of your day. Work hard, and I sure do miss you. Enjoy your week.